जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 8th chapter अक्षर परब्रह्म योगमु 10th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I am continuing the procedure of meditation which has to be followed by seekers of the prosperity. What they have to do is, at the time of their death, they have to engage themselves in remembering me. They have to fix their life air between their eyebrows of their death, and they have to visualize me in that place between the eyebrows, and they have to experience me with all the divine qualities which I have already explained you. So this kind of meditation they have to do at the time of their death. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible, because they have devotion towards me. With that devotion throughout life, because they will be worshipping me, with all that strength of devotion which is already practiced throughout their life, they will be able to remember me at the time of their death. They will be able to fix the air between the eyebrows and experience me in that place with all divine qualities. With that, definitely they will attain me, and they will attain the Aishwaryam which is equivalent to my Aishwaryam. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining the process of meditation which has to be followed by seekers of the prosperity. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Prayana kale manasa chalena bhaktya yukto yoga balena chaiva bhruvor madhye pranam avesya samyak satam param purusham vupaiti divyam. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging, and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma enjoying and experiencing Paramatma's divine Svarupam. Paramatma is looking like a big mountain. Kirita Sahasra Hiranyasrungam with Adisesha thousands of heads. Paramatma is glowing. And as and how there will be so many serpents on the mountain, Paramatma is filled up with Adisesha. As and how there will be so many waterfalls on the mountain, Paramatma, around Paramatma there is so much water. As and how there will be so many gems, pearls. In Parvata Garbham, there is Kaustubhamani and there is Vanamala glowing on Paramatma. O Vidura, all the Vedas are there in Paramatma's Divyamangala Vigraham and effulgence is coming out of those Vedas. Surya, Indu, Vayu, Agni, Agamam. Surya, Chandra, Vayu, Agni. None of these devatas would be able to even go any closer to Paramatma. Such great effulgence, such great light is coming out from Srimannarayana's Divyamangala Vigraham. Chaturmukha enjoying everything, every detail of Paramatma's glory. Sudarsana and all those divine ornaments and weapons are there along with Srimannarayana. Because Chaturmukha Brahma is able to enjoy each and every detail of Paramatma, Because Chaturmukha Brahma is showing all of his devotion and attention to Sriman Narayana, he got Brahma Jnanam, which will help him to continue the rest of Srushti. He now has seen the lotus in which he is born. Now Chaturmukha Brahma has seen all the water around Paramatma. Chaturmukha Brahma started looking at himself. Now Chaturmukha Brahma has got an initiation to do Srushti. Then when he got that sankalpam, when he got that desire to do Srushti, now he is offering his prayers to Sriman Narayana. He is offering his prayers to Purushottama. He is praising and praying Jagatkarana Tattvam Sriman Narayana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 10th sloka. Prayana Kale Manasa Chalena Bhaktya Yukto Yoga Balena Chaiva Bhruvor Madhye Pranamavesya Samyak Satam Param Purusham Vupaiti Divyam. Prayana Kale Manasa Chalena Bhaktya Yukto Yoga Balena Chaiva Bhruvor Madhye Pranamavesya Samyak Satam Param Purushamupaiti Divyam. Sriman Narayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.